Hey, I'm finna go in out here.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I hop on the beat and you know I'ma kill it. My nigga lose schools, you know that they drilling.
What's going on YouTube? It is Jonathan or J Rich. I'm back with another video. I have a sneaker pickup for y'all today. I picked up some Jordan 13s. The Jordan 13s in the Flint colorway, the dark gray colorway, the cool gray colorway, whatever y'all want to call them. But I have for y'all a pickup video. And I don't do this often. I think I have like 2 or 3 videos like that on my channel. But before we even get started, if you like my content, if you think it's fire, subscribe down below. If the subscribe button is still red, you have not done what you're supposed to do. Before we even get started, we're gonna take a 5-minute break, a 5-second break, and make sure y'all tap the like and subscribe button and share, and follow me on Instagram at JRichFX. Put it on the board.
A few moments later.
But yeah, today for y'all, I got for y'all a sneaker pickup. And it is on the Jordan 13s in the Flint colorway. So it is on the Jordan 13s in the Flint colorway. These right here, I went to the mall and I wasn't really skeptical about these. I didn't know if I was gonna like them or not. And I went with my girl and she said she liked them. And then when I put them on feet, like, I really liked them a lot. Like, I don't know, like something about them. I just like how they're white and gray. I have the only other white and gray shoe I have is the Cement 4s, and some other shoes I have or something like that. But yeah, that's my first Jordan 13. I actually like these. Like, they're comfortable, and I don't know, like, they're just some 13s. I've never had 13s before, so let me get the other ones out the box so my camera can focus. Here they go, the Jordan 13s. I'm gonna put some B-roll up for y'all so y'all can see these. So this is the Jordan 13 Flints, or cool grays, or whatever you wanna call them. It comes with a gray leather upper and a light gray, like nubuck suede material, and it is really soft. I'm gonna get it up close for y'all. See, y'all can go back and forth on it. Y'all can go back and forth, and it does change colors, and it's very soft. I don't know what it is, but yeah, going to the bottom. So the bottom is this white tread pattern with, I think this is carbon fiber, and a red bubble Jumpman right here, and the laces right here. The laces do consist of white and gray with a white leather and a black interior. And as y'all go to the back, y'all see the holographic Jumpman right there, and the size tag is on the toe, completing with the back with a, then y'all have a white sole and a black bottom. So yeah, I mean, overall these aren't too bad. I mean, I think I got these for, like, after tax was $207, so it was hefty on my pockets, but I do feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these, considering the college I'm going to's colors are blue and gray. So I feel like if I do hoop, this would be a shoe I'll hoop in. And they've been comfortable. I had them on for like 10 minutes walking around the house, and like, so far this shoe has been incredible as of my first Jordan 13. I also like the blue ones and the red 13s. So if I can get my hands on those, which I know I can, I'll probably scoop those up too. So coming back to this shoe, overall I feel like it's a good Jordan 13. It is a GR, so it's probably still sitting at the mall wherever y'all are at. But I just wanted to get these and put up a quick review for y'all. You know, put it on feet, show you what they look like. So that's the Jordan 13 and the cool gray Flint, whatever you want to call them, colorway. I don't know the exact colorway for these, so I'm gonna just call them the Shadow 13s. And I feel like these are worth the money. I mean, I guess. I mean, they're just clean. Really can't really go wrong with white and gray. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on feet for y'all in this video. Like I said, if y'all like my content, if you think it's fire, please subscribe and like down below. It really helped me out on the last video. People were commenting on it, and that's my shoe collection, and it made me smile. I'm back. Like I was saying, I'm gonna do an on feed for y'all. I'm gonna get y'all some nice shots of these in the glorious HD. Like I said, if y'all like my content, subscribe, like, and yeah, we're gonna get into the on feed right now.
I need a pit, a government, right at my door. I need these niggas to know, yeah, that I get that dope, yeah, I get that dime food, I get that dope, I get that dime food, I get that dope, I get that dope, yeah, I get that shit make it float, yeah, I'm on the block, yeah, selling that bit on my coat, yeah, we in your lot, yeah, all of the smoke, we just want all of the smoke, we just want all of the smoke, I just want all of your hoe, I'ma fuck all of your hoe, bitch I got all of the jerk, bitch I got all of the club, bitch I got all of the cut, bitch I got all of the cook, bitch I got all of the bites, bitch I got all of the jokes, I'm breaking the bank, I'm spraying the paint, smoking that dank, I smoke when I can't, I'm all in the bank, yeah, give me my bank, we taking your bank, we taking your bank, 100,000 in the club, 100 in the doors, baby head down on my ear, look like a bug, bitches they all on my ear, talking about love, these niggas they all on my ear, talking about love, I need 100 to show, I need 100 to hold, I need 100 to blow, I need 100 to throw, I know for happy they hoe, I need 100 or more, I get that work on my dick, and she might never let go, I need a pit, a government, right at my door, I need these niggas to know, yeah, that I get that dope, yeah, I get that dime food, I get that dope, I get that dime food, I get that dope, I get that dope, yeah, I get that shit make it float, yeah, I'm on the block, yeah, selling that bit on my coat, yeah, we in your lot, yeah, all of the smoke, we just want all of the smoke, we just want all of the smoke,